call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Welcome back, it's dinner time, and tonight I'm gonna make a beef roast in the oven. I'm gonna add all these veggies. Got about a cup of the veggie broth, some black pepper, seasoned salt, and Mrs. Dash. So yeah, that's what's for dinner. Let's get cooking. Alright, so we got the roast in here, fat side up. Let all that yummy fat drip down through the freaking roast as it cooks. Chopped up all our veg, put our broth, our seasoning all up in there. Now we're gonna cover it with the aluminum foil and then bake it in the oven at 325 for 2.5 hours. Alright, so it's been cooking for about 2.5 hours covered. Now we're gonna uncover it. It's looking and smooth, you know what I mean? We're gonna throw that back in the oven uncovered for about another 20 minutes. Does anyone else's dog just sit in the kitchen right behind you when you're cooking, hoping a scrap or something's gonna fall? No, fool! Alright, there you go, folks. Dinner's done. There's all the veggies looking all yummy. And we got the roast back there. And some Arby's sauce. That little doggy trying to be nosy and steal food. And yeah, we're about to slay him. So, yeah, see y'all later. Thanks a lot. Bye!
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never